Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we have a special treat. We are at the St. Francis Hotel in downtown, Old Town, Santa Fe, New Mexico, and we are in their nicest, biggest suite. It's called the Cardinal Suite, room 237. We are in walking distance of the best part of town. This is just the entryway. And we have this beautiful artwork here. Going out to a private balcony. Comfortably seats 4. Room only sleeps 2. This is Water Street. We are on Don Gaspar and Water Street. And right down there is a great restaurant called the Coyote Cafe, amongst many others. Great shops, walking distance. A lot of restaurants here. I would highly recommend you get reservations ahead of time. Right off in this direction is the town square and the cathedral. The St. Francis also has the Gruet tasting room in its lobby, along with a great restaurant. So this suite also has a half bath. So, excuse me, a full bath and a half bath. Excuse me. It's very dry here and it's 7,000 feet up, so be prepared. There's a small closet here. Separate living room with a see-through fireplace. And like I said, off in this distance is the cathedral and the big town square, and you again are in walking distance of galleries, shops, restaurants. So much fun. Great location. This Cafe Pascual right there is also super great. We've tried it as well. Complimentary water, coffee, and down here is a small refrigerator. Larger closet here. With drawers and the safe. There's the pass-through fireplace. We happen to be here in May of 2022. The weather is incredible. We did drive down from Colorado and did unfortunately see some of the wildfires, but they seem to be getting under control. Fabulous tub. Lots of toiletries. And very large shower. Okay, so there you have it, the Cardinal Suite at the St. Francis in Old Town, Santa Fe, New Mexico. Feel free to leave comments and questions. And we would love for you to subscribe. We are trying to build our channel, so if you felt like this was remotely beneficial to you, we sure would love you to subscribe. And thanks for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo.